One of the most common sealing material used in aviation, commercial, and user industry is the polysulfide-based sealant. It is the first aerospace sealant which have been used by the aircraft industry for over 50 years and currently used by the aircraft manufacturers that serve as a resistant to aviation fuels and are therefore useful for sealing fuel tanks. However, this kind of sealant based on the hazard statement of material safety datasheet specifies and describes the following nature and degree of hazards: H319, H335, H315, H412, H225, H373, H302 plus H332, and H340 plus H350. Since polysulfide-based sealant has various drawbacks and nature of hazard due to its chemical composition and substances, consideration on using eco-friendly material is one possible ways and solution for this concern. Thus, the innovator produced an experimental sealant made from the waste material in order to mitigate and eliminate the mentioned problems. Experimental method of research was utilized in this study since it is a product innovation. This study comprises two parts, specifically the optimization process and the characterization process. And here is the Pili seal. It is a new product innovation of sealant made from the waste material, particularly the waste of Pili tree resin, which is also called as spent resin. It is a two-component sealant which is beneficial and effective for aircraft parts application like integral fuel tank to avoid the fuel leakage, as well as other areas exposed with aircraft fuels, lubricants, oil, water, and weathering. This innovative product is a pioneering study and a revolutionary activity in the field of aviation industry that uses the waste material as the primary ingredient for aircraft integral fuel tank sealant production. If you are wondering about its application, performance, and effectiveness, Pili seal displays unassured qualities and properties because it undergone 20 different standard tests and exceeded all the data results of the commercial sealant used in aircraft integral fuel tank, including the physical, chemical, mechanical, thermal, and rheological properties. One of the unique features of this innovation is that it offers safe and non-toxic effects to the user's health, including the aircraft mechanic and technicians, since this product undergone toxicity tests. The aforementioned features prove that using waste material can provide safer, cheaper, assured, secured, and better performance rather than using fully chemical materials. Thus, this innovation shows the value and importance of the waste material by using it and giving new function rather than considering it as a trash or unusable thing. Lastly, for the next step or carry out plan of this innovation, the innovator is looking forward to have further research for the application of this sealant on the different fields or sector, including the land and water transportation, construction, buildings, wood, or in home the metal sheet roof, to maximize the use and function of it, and use this innovation as a means or gateway to build a new business and manufacturing company of aviation sealant here in the Philippines, since my country only buy and import aviation sealant in other regions and countries. Through these goals and vision, it can help our local farmers to have a new job opportunities and income because they will play a vital role in manufacturing this aviation sealant, including the plantation of Pili tree and extraction of its resin, which is needed for sealant production. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and once again, I am Mark Kennedy Ibantugon, who wants to introduce and exhibit a new perspective that a specific waste material can give a new beneficial function and role to our community.